In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use seeds in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the proper method of inputting a seed into any world that you can create on Minecraft Bedrock. So of course, this is also going to work for the Nintendo Switch. The first thing that I should warn you about is that seeds are going to depend on the version of your game. So for example, I am on version 1.20.6. If I were to change versions, the seed that I would input, even if it is the same, is going to give me a different world. So keep that in mind. It's very important that you use a seed compatible with the version that you are running. So when you go over to create new world, you will be able to go under the advanced tab over here, and the first option is going to be world seed. You can input a random seed here like so, and the world will be generated according to this seed, or you can go into the templates. You can explore some nice templates here, such as specific biomes, specific terrains, and villages, strongholds, etc. It is extremely customizable, and once you choose any of these templates, a seed will be loaded. So as you can see there, it is going to load in and you can create the world. It is up to you if you want to do a custom seed or input a random one. I'm just going to create the world, and keep in mind that if you don't change this, the seed is going to be completely random. So as you saw, I input the seed as 11 and I spawned on this biome. Now, if I were to go back to the home screen and create a new world with the same seed, you will notice that indeed it is working. It is going to spawn me into the same exact world because the seeds are the same. So there it is, just to confirm that it is working. So this is all you have to do. When you go over to create a world, just go into the pencil icon over here and you will be able to go into advanced to change the seed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use seeds in Minecraft Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.